Take in a deep, deep breath and come into this moment. When we engage in fiber arts, we are creating something, but we're also participating in historic traditions, tens of thousands of years old. You are not only making art for your soul and for future generations, you are embodying the work of our ancestors. And this is from the Woven Road. So taking a deep, deep breath. And as you exhale, come into this moment. Come into this moment of feeling grounded, feeling connected, feeling the love and appreciation that you are putting into your craft and your mending. Feeling your energy, the energy of your hands, and the energy of the fabric, the textile, the yarn, interconnecting, interweaving, and coming together as you need it to. Coming together with delight. As you fix the hem, allow the towels to absorb healing energy, energy of wholeness, so that when you or your spouse take a bath or a shower, that the healing energy moves from the towel onto and into your bodies. As you knit, as you create this beautiful wrap for your family member, allow her to wear it with love, the same love you put into it, the same love and understanding and compassion that you put into creating this beautiful wrap. Allow the recipient to wear it, to model it with love and compassion and hope and joy and understanding. As my hands do the finishing touches on these slippers, may the recipients of these slippers wear them with love and compassion and joy and understanding. And may their feet walk forward to places with delight, places with understanding and compassion and acceptance. Allowing each of our items, each of our crafts, each of our repairs to be the best product we are able to create in this moment. And I'm actually putting my hands up. And if you feel called, put your palms up, because the energy from my palms is connecting to the energy of your palms. And the energy of your palms is connecting around through our triad, through our circle of three beautiful crafting women. And we are also connecting back to the energy of all women, all people who have crafted, woven, knitted, spun wool into yarn, crocheted, embroidered, sewed, mend, tailored, tatted. All of these fabric arts are coming together as we need them to, as we want them to. And all the hands that have ever held fabric, created fabric, repaired fabric, they are touching our hands and our hearts in this moment. And they are grateful. All of these ancestors are grateful that we are taking this time to connect to spirit, to connect to energy, to connect to them as we connect to our fabric arts And this brings us together, together in wholeness, completeness, love, and joy. So if it feels right, my hands now want to be placed on my heart. With love and joy and compassion and understanding for all. Namaste, blessed be, connection among all.